Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to use Astral effect in CapCut. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Using the Astral effect in CapCut can add a mystical and otherworldly look to your videos. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to apply the Astral effect in CapCut on your device. Launch the CapCut app on your Android phone. Tap on New Project button. Then select the video you want to edit from your gallery. Tap Add to import it into your project. Scroll through the bottom menu, Options, and tap on Effects. Choose Video Effects. Then use the search function and type Astral in the search bar. Then hit on search icon. Look for effects named Astral or similar. Then tap on the Astral effect to preview it. Then tap on Cancel. Tap on the check mark to apply the effect to your video. The effect will be added as a layer over to your video clip and a timeline. Adjust the duration of the Astral effect by dragging the edges of the effect layer and the timeline to match the desired length of your video. Now, tap the play button to preview the video with the Astral effect applied. Once done with the effect, go ahead and tap on Export button to save your video. By following these steps, you can effectively add an Astral effect to your video in CapCut, creating a mystical and otherworldly look that enhances your video's visual appeal. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.